If your maintenance program is still spreadsheet first, you are not alone. Many transit teams built spreadsheet systems because they were fast to start and easy to control. The challenge is that growth, staffing changes, and compliance pressure eventually expose weak points. Spreadsheets usually fail slowly, then all at once during high-pressure moments. A missed follow-up after a failed inspection, a maintenance interval that was tracked in one file but not another, a record request that takes hours because data is scattered across tabs and owner-specific versions. The risk is not that spreadsheets are bad tools. The risk is that they are not workflow systems. A cleaner migration starts by mapping three workflows. First, inspection follow-up. How does a defect move from inspection to corrective action to closure? Second, planned maintenance. How do you track upcoming service, urgency, and overdue items in a way that teams can execute daily? Third, record retrieval. How quickly can your team produce connected records that show what was found, what was fixed, and when? If those three workflows are weak in spreadsheets today, that is your migration case. Now for rollout. Phase 1 should focus on current operations, not historical perfection. Start with active vehicles, current service intervals, and current inspection workflows. Phase 2 adds historical context and standardization. This is where you normalize naming, service categories, and reporting structure. Phase 3 is optimization, alerts, thresholds, dashboards, and accountability routines that help leaders manage proactively instead of reactively. A common mistake is trying to migrate every field and every edge case before go-live. That usually delays adoption and creates project fatigue. A better approach is to go live with the workflows that protect daily reliability first. Motrix frames spreadsheet replacement around this practical sequence for transit maintenance operations, with emphasis on inspection continuity, service planning discipline, and retrieval-ready records. If you are planning a transition this quarter, use the spreadsheet replacement guide linked in the description as your working checklist. And as a next step, watch our Audit Ready Records video so your migration plan includes documentation quality from day one.